Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. These rivets require pressing the center button down and prying the base up with your trusty screwdriver. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the panel. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new A7938 filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the access panel. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the clips. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.